I decided to record a bonus lesson for you to show how you can quickly and easily change the lighting from a morning sketch to an evening sketch. To create this effect, we will need to duplicate the sketch. Select the sketch and click Duplicate. A copy of the sketch appears next to the sketch with all the layers. Under the layer with your signature, at the very top, create a new layer. In the palette, choose the color that I have in the video. Pause the video and copy all the credentials. Fill the layer with that color and decrease the opacity. Next, change the blending mode of the layer, select Linear Light. Add light to the windows. Select the little squiggly line and select Rectangle. Select the glass areas, without the frames, that's very important. Select the glass on the first floor. Next, the glass on the doors. And the glass on the second floor. Select the eraser on maximum size and maximum opacity. With this brush, we create light for the windows. Turn off the little squiggly line. Decrease the size of the eraser, about 2%, turn on Drawing Assist. Between the slats, erase the glass portions to add light. Work on the windows layer. We can turn off the layer with the shine. The layer where the glass itself is drawn, switch to Add Mode. Decrease the layer opacity. Turn on Alpha Lock. Select a warm orange color. Copic brush. Turn on Drawing Assist. Add additional glow from the interior light. This way, you can also create an evening light within the building. Using the eraser, you'll add light in the needed places, like light from lamps and ceiling lamps. If you don't have enough layers, merge some together. Create a new layer under the blue background one, add blending mode. Copic brush. Correct the layer placement and move it above the blue background one. Using the Copic brush, create a glow on the ground from the interior light coming through the windows and front doors. You can turn on Drawing Assists so the glow will be on the right angle, or just draw freehand. Click on the little wand icon and select Gaussian Blue, and drag the stylus to the right to blur. Decrease the opacity. Go to the blue layer. Select the Leaves brush. Hold the eraser for a couple of seconds. Make the brush smaller. Draw with the eraser over the plants. This brush creates a more realistic shine. For the grass, select Copic. Next, select the glitter brush, white color, and go over the sketch lightly with it. With these simple moves, we finish drawing our evening sketch.